Hey, boot camper, and hey, friend. Welcome to Part 5 of Mission Anger. You've been learning how to notice anger, make space for it, and figure out what it might be about. Now here's the next step. Speaking up in a way that's kind, calm, and strong. When we're angry, it's easy to yell, shut down, or say nothing at all, but sometimes the most powerful move is to use your voice. Here's a simple way to do it. I feel tall when tall. Then you can add what you need or hope for. Let's try a few together. I feel hurt when my things get taken without asking. I'd like people to check first. I feel frustrated when I can't talk during group time. Can we find a better time to share ideas? I feel left out when I'm not included. I want to be part of things too. See how that works? It's honest, but it doesn't hurt anyone. It's strong, but it doesn't yell. It helps you stand up for yourself while still being the kind of person you want to be. Using your voice is one way we grow emotional strength, not by staying silent and not by shouting, just clearly saying how you feel and what matters to you. Like and subscribe if you're growing stronger every week. And don't miss Part 6, where we'll learn how to solve problems without blowing up. You've got a strong voice, friend. Keep using it.